TradingView is a tab specifically for paid indicators, and these are premium scripts that authors sell access to separate from the free community ones. So here's how to find and use them. First, click on the / key to hop on the indicators tab. Then head over to purchased. If it says empty here, that just means you don't have any. So the way you get some is click on go to store. Now you're on the store tab. You can look at all of these different indicators. Now, to get more information about them, simply just click on any one of them. Then you can even click subscribe to take you to another website and get more info, or simply go here, click read more. Then you can get a preview of the indicator. Now, just for a word of caution, paid indicators are not magic. Most are just repackaged versions of free concepts. So before paying for any, check the author's reputation, read the reviews, and ask whether the same logic does exist for free in the community tab. Usually it does. But other than that, have a great day, guys.